Hello and welcome to EcoWander. This is an app designed for travelers that want to have amazing memories and travel the world, but at the same time, they care about preserving the environment and the communities that they are visiting and traveling to. In the homepage, you see a very user-friendly interface because it includes the three main functionalities of the app. So stay, eat, and explore. We can firstly see the eco-friendly stays options that we have in terms of accommodation, hotel, and so on. Secondly, we can see the conscious dining options we have, so restaurants, cafes, or eating places we can go to. And lastly, we have sustainable adventures, so travelers want to have some activities in the places they visit, from visiting conservation parks to having wildlife tours and so on. So here they can find it in an ethical and eco-friendly way. If we scroll down, we can also have two buttons. Start Exploring directs us to the eco-friendly stays, and View Activities directs us to the Sustainable Adventures list. If we scroll up, we see on this upper side on the right also the three main options, so Stay, Eat, and Explore. We also can see an action title, so what the app is about, and also some ratings of the app and how many happy travelers we already made. Okay, so now let's get into it a bit more in detail. If we click on eco-friendly stay, it directs us to this page where we can see the list of all eco-friendly stays we have until now, which is not a lot because it's just a mock-up. We also have a search bar in which, for example, we can say, oh, I really want to go to Bali. So if we want to go to Bali, these are the options we have. We can also view the details with some pictures, the eco rating, the price level, and a book now button. There's also a brief description of the accommodation as well as some main features. If we go back to accommodations, we can look for also other kinds of locations. Let's say we want to go to Lisbon in Portugal. We can also select the type of accommodation, so whether we look for an hotel or a retreat cabin, an eco lodge, and so on. We can also see the ratings of the accommodations and also the price levels. Then we can go to Eat options, and same thing here. We have a visualization of all the options we have, and we can, for example, view details, the main features, and the ratings. Then also here we have the search bar and the location option. So let's say we want to go to Florence in Italy. This is what we can choose from. We can also select the type of eating place we look for, whether a cafe, a bistro, or a restaurant, and also the ratings in terms of stars. Lastly, also the price level. Then if we go to Explore, this is where we can find our eco-friendly experiences. So anything from maybe a turtle conservation tour in Costa Rica, or, for example, if we want to go to, let's say, Sydney in Australia, then we can go to a kangaroo conservation park. Also here, we can select the type of experience we look for, so maybe an eco tour or maybe a cultural tour, such as a wine tour in Italy, and so on. Also the rating of the experience and how expensive it is. So I would say this is it. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you very much for the attention. Bye bye.